Okay, so I just want to make a video here of this fluid extractor. What's this thing called? This thing is called a pneumatic transmission fluid extractor dispenser. Picking it up from Amazon. So a company called Orion or OMT. Yeah, it looks pretty well built. So what I'm going to do with this, what I'm going to use it for is I am going to basically fill up the transmission here on this Mini. So I took the tranny pan off, cleaned it, new gasket, new filter. Now it's ready to fill up. Fill port is in a funny spot on the top side. So I'm going to fill it from the pan underneath with this kit. It comes with a whole bunch of adapters for different vehicles. Got a vehicle list here. So mine is ATF05, the mini one. And that one is already in this hose. All right, spring loaded. Okay, so comes with a bunch of these adapters. This one goes here. Different adapters. Comes with a nice hose, dispensing hose, extraction hose, a little harder case hose, some hooks to hang up. I guess to hang up this extractor, and another small diameter hose. So I'm going to use it here in this video. The strange thing is the lid doesn't come off. It is solid on there. Don't want to break it. And in the manual, it says to extract the fluid that you want to pump into the transmission, extract it out of the container into this container, and then pump it into the transmission. And when I mean extract, I mean suck it out with this tool. So you're not pouring it in, you're sucking it into this tool using one of these hoses or pipes. And then you're turning the knob here to dispense and pumping it out into the transmission. So we're going to try it here, see how well it works. Okay, so what do I got here? This is the stand pipe for the mini transmission. So this threads into the transmission drain plug into the pan, and then it sets the height of the oil. So I'm going to thread this in all the way up, and then I'm going to thread in that ATF05 adapter just behind this. Okay, so I'm going to grab the ATF05. It's upside down. Let's go here. Let me grab this guy here. This is a number 5. Allen head. So put it on here like this. This is the drain plug here. I'm just gonna thread this in all the way up, just finger tight. And this sets the level. There's no dipstick, so this is how you check it. You know, you normally report it from the top, and then once it starts dripping out, that's when you stop. Obviously there's a procedure to check it with temperature, but I'm basically just gonna pump back in the same exact amount that I pumped out. Okay, so that's just finger tight. And now, here's my adapter. There's threaded ends. That goes in just like this. There we go, it's in there. And now I connect my hose to this and dispense the fluid into the transmission. Isn't that interesting? Okay. So this is the container that I used to drain out the old coolant. I got a little bit of the new coolant here. It's a graduated container. And when I drain out the old coolant, or sorry, the old transmission fluid, I made a mark right here where it filled up this container. So I'm basically gonna fill this container up with brand new transmission fluid up to this point. Pull it into that dispenser. Pump it into the transmission. That's basically what we got going on. This is the transmission fluid. Interesting fact. Found a document on the internet from ASIN for this transmission, which is a, hang on here, let me set this up. Which is a TF-60SN. These are used in multiple different vehicles. And on this web page, it claims, on this site from ASIN, it claims in that it recommends changing the fluid out every 60,000 kilometers, or servicing the fluid. Now, BMW claims it's a lifetime fluid. I shouldn't say they claim, that's what I hear. That's the rumor anyways. We're gonna service it. I got 3 liters in there so far. And that document I found on the internet there, it says anywhere between 4 to 5 liters on a service. So I assume that's a flush and drain and refill. 7 liters total transmission takes. In my Bentley book, it says 4.2 to 4.5 liters. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Now let's see, how many did I put in there? I put 1, 2, 3, 4. I put 4 in there. Put 4 in there. And put 1 more. Just a tad bit more. Just to get to my mark. Okay, there we are. So I probably put in 4.3. So I got 4.3 liters transmission fluid. What you're looking at is about a half a liter, 500 mils of precious transmission fluid, liquid gold. Now, I don't know which container is right. This is 3 liters at that mark. Doesn't really matter because I measured the top there, which when I count how many things I took to fill it up to here, I took 4.3 liters. I lost half. So you can't trust the markings on here, because if I put 4.3 in here, kind of looks like I'm just shy of 4 liters. Because what it is, I filled this up to here, and then I poured this into here. So these marks aren't correct. Very close. Looks like it's kind of like right about there. Anyways, so I'm gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna see how well this thing pumps in to the transmission. So it is threaded, it does come out, but man, it was tight. It was tight. All right, where were we? Okay, back at her. Okay, so I got it filled up. 4.3 liters. Gonna bring it down here. I'm gonna put this lever to dispense, which it is. But I'm just gonna set you down here so you can kind of see. Hopefully you can kind of see here. Is that that's the connector I'm hooking up to. I'll just kind of show you how it's plugged in. Kind of just threads in there, right? Okay. What? Where do I go? Let's see here. There we go. Set it up. Thread it in. Yeah, it's there. Okay. Valve is open. Okay, here. All right, let's go over here. Like watching there. My air hooked up. Dispense mode. Discharge hose hooked up. Push down this trigger, I guess. Oh, could open up this valve. There we go. There it goes. That's basically it. We're gonna mop it in. Let you know how it goes. Okay, so this is set at 640, maybe 30 psi. That's what this speed reads here. So that's what it kind of said to set at. That's my air. Everything you can see down there, just above 1 liter. It's maybe been about 2 minutes. Well, I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, that's pretty much it. You just pump in air now. There you go, got a little bit more out of there by tilting it. So, getting the air now. Got nothing but air. So I'm going to shut this valve. And then I'm going to shut this. Then I'm going to shut this valve. That's basically it, guys. That was pretty painless. Get the compressor on there. No mess, no fuss, other than me spilling it, trying to throw it up. The lid was pretty damn tight. But yeah, it's in there. 4.3, 4 something liters. Pump back in there. Yeah, not bad. Anyways, thanks for joining me. That was it. The product here is this one holds 6 liters. You can get a 10-liter one, right? Amazon. Right. I say this is a pretty good tool, pretty good product for what it's used for, what it's meant for. Anyways, thanks for enduring this video. And, please like, subscribe, and take it easy.